What's up, niggas?
Ginaya
Mark Lasser. Kakantayin ko yung cool down ng Koloy Kai. Okay, simula na.
Samahan natin dyan.
It's another fiery Mali!
Bloopers!
Bloopers!
Woohoo! Woohoo!
It's another fiery
Mali.
1, 2, 3, go.
It's
Another fiery
so hot.
Taka ba second voice yun?
1, 2, 3.
Bagalan mo lang, gago.
It's another fiery
Naya.
Uli. Oh, ito na. Take 1 million.
It's another fiery afternoon, hotter than the moon. So we should go beach now.
Cool down.
Turn as the water's right, yeah. Let's grab a boys
And run.
run to the nearest shore. The school's about, let's go down and head out the door.
Yeah.
So we beside the fire and the day is getting hot. This is my desire, I'm gonna want to eat this body.
Cool down.
Cool down. The way beside the fire and the day is getting hot. This is my desire, I'm gonna want to eat this body.
Cool down.
The heart's looking nice and blue.
So blue, so
Bluer than the cleaver sky, pangit ano?
blue. Bloopers! Mario!
Oo, nakita ito eh.
Quits. Mario! Kada may bloopers, may Mario, ano?
Tara nga yung search mo yung words nung...
Kahit tigil mo na. Sayang yan sa, ano mo, memory mo.
Google ba?
Hindi na.